Good evening, my friends. Welcome back to yet another Thursday here in not the cave, but in my office. Today we're tying kind of a weird little bugger. It's called the Fyggi, or not the Fyggi. If you say Fyggi in German, it means something else. But in Danish, it's called Fyggi, and it is a weird fly, as I said. But it is also a fly that I won't be without, especially in the winter months, where the sea trout can be a little bit tricky, and they kind of prefer flies with a bit more color on them, and also a lot smaller flies. So that's why I need to have a few of these in my own box in the winter. And this is also kind of my take on it, with a bit of UV resin and stuff to make it a little more sexy. So let's jump down to the vise right here and get this done. Okay. Hook in the vise is an Eric's NS172 in size 12. So it is pretty small, but that's exactly what we want. So I'm using a clear thread here, but white will do as well. It's depending on what kind of fly you're tying. If you're tying one like the one I'm tying here, sorry. I think a clear thread looks better. So we need to get some rubber legs on this bad boy. And again, any kind of rubber legs will do here. These are pale pink with a little bit of fluorescent in them. This is just such a crazy looking little fly, but it is deadly. So let me just trim these off. And as everybody know, trout love rubber legs, so this has to work. Get yourself some tinsel. Mylar tinsel. This is an opal one. You can see it there. Tie that in on the side here. All the way back to your tying point back here. And get the thread up in front. And just work your way up with this tinsel in touching turns. So right around there. Catch that, tie that off. And now all there's left is to make a finish. One should do. No, these are kind of. I made the whip finish in front of the legs here to make them kind of point upwards like this, and these will just dance around in the water when you strip it in. So cut off the thread, you don't need that anymore. Now is the time to make some minor adjustments before covering it all up with resin. And it's just like building up the body here. You don't want to put too much on, otherwise it will just start to sag and you have to turn your vise really fast to get it to look decent. Just put a small layer on here at first, a thin layer. Turn the fly a little bit in the vise. Get your lamp ready. Cure it. Now this lamp is on, as you can see. It is the red sap lamp, and the light is almost white because of frequencies and stuff. So it kind of looks like I am not curing this with the lamp, but it is on. Okay, that's the first layer down. Let's get another one on here. I kind of want a raindrop shape on it. I think it looks cool. More layer down. Just turn the vise slowly so the resin works for you, not against you. And just harden that. That. I think I want a little bit more on here, not much, just a thin layer. Right, that is looking super. Get the lid on my UV resin here. Just like that, and there you have one deadly little Fyggi, not Fyggi. And yeah, you can see these rubber legs will just make any trout go crazy. Right, so that was it. As you can see, pretty basic, and if you make the body with dubbing instead of UV resin, it gets even more simple. So tie up a few in pink or in white, or copper ones seem to be really good as well. yeah, just go crazy with it. If you haven't subscribed to my channel already, please make sure you do that. Hit the bell so you'll get notified whenever I upload new videos. Leave a comment below, hit the like button, do anything to help the algorithms of YouTube push my videos a little bit upwards so they'll get seen by more people and we can grow this little community we've got going here. So please make sure you do those things. If you have done them, thank you so much. And nothing left to say, but I will see you guys next week.